What is a method signature? A method signature consists of method name, number of parameters, type of parameters, order of parameters. Return type is not part of the method signature. Remember, return type. Return type is not a part of method signature. Method signature consists of method name, number of parameters, type of parameters, and order of parameters. Here see, this is your void. This is your return type. Return type does not matter. Method name, parameter list, and order of parameter must not be equal. This is your int a. Here is int a and method name same. So this is your same method signature. Same method signature. So there is an error. Now this is int a. Here is int a, int b. Here number of parameter 1. Here number of parameter 2. So this is your different method signature. Here is int a double a. Number of parameters same but type of parameter different. So this is a different method signature. So method signature means method name plus parameter list. Same signature means syntax error. Different signature means there is a function overloading allowed. Okay. Next see 2025 question paper. There is a question on method signature. Question paper. Here is given which of the following pairs of methods will cause a compile time error due to incorrect method overloading. Method overloading means the method signature must be different so that method overloading will be allowed. Here see this is int a, int b, double a, double b. There are the data type of parameter is different. So this is a different signature. Here int a, double b, double a, int b. Order of parameters different. So this is your different signature. Int a, double b, int a. Number of parameter different. So this is a different signature. Here int a, same parameter and same type of parameter. Test, same name. But return type void and int. Return type is different. But return type does not include in error or syntax error. First number, what is the type of error if any when two methods have the same method signature? See, what is method signature? Method signature means it consists of method name, number of parameters, type of parameters, order of parameters. Return type is not method signature. You see, if this is your void sum int a comma int b. This is a function signature. This is curly bracket. Another one is void. Let this is instead of void. This is your int sum. This is int x comma int y. Then these two are same method signature because method name is sum. There are two parameters. This is two parameters and data type of two parameters. Here see int, here also int. So this is your same method signature. This is your syntax error. If method signature is same, then it is your syntax error. The compile will not be result compile time error. This is your compile time error. So syntax error. Next one,